If you like my dotting design, here is everything you need to know to create your own. Dotting in real life is a slow, relaxing and meditative process. So in this video, I will provide a quick and easy step-by-step guide. Please pause at any moment and take your time to complete each step. For this project we need some black art paper or black canvas. Paints we need Festive Red, Orange Flash, Dandelion, White, Indian Turquoise, Emerald, Splendid Gold, Ultramarine Blue. Optional paints are black to correct any mistakes, any shiny and sparkling paints to enhance our dots, like Silver Illusion. Also optional is clear acrylic sealer to seal the final look. We need some dotting tools ranging from 1 to 15 mm in diameter. We need some small containers with the lids and a couple of small brushes. First, we need to divide the circle into 24 equal parts. Please watch this video for more details, or here is a quick summary. Connect corner to corner, middle to middle, draw a large circle, using the same radius left and right, connect all the dots. Also, I like to draw more circles to keep our design symmetrical. We start with Festive Red, using the largest tool number 15. Tool number 1, Dandelion, dots around. Number 4, Indian Turquoise, dots around. Usually, I like to do crisscross first and then fill it in between. Number 5, Festive Red, dots around. If a dot doesn't look good, it's easy to fix. Using a brush, remove the unwanted paint while it's still wet. Paint it over with black and let it dry. Number 1, White, dots around. I like my dots fat and outstanding, so I always add more paint on top. Using a ruler, measure 2 cm around and connect the dots. We need this guideline for our next step. Tool number 5, Emerald, dots around, and tool number 1, drag it outwards while the paint is still wet. Tool number 6, dots around, and tool number 1, drag it inward. Number 12, Orange Flash, 1 dot on top. Number 4, Orange Flash. Number 3, Ultramarine Blue. Number 6, dots around, and tool number 1, drag it. White, tool number 1, 1 dot. Indian Turquoise, number 4. Dandelion, number 1. White, number 12. Dandelion, tool number 1, dots around. Indian Turquoise, tool number 4, dots around. Festive Red, number 10, 1 dot in the middle of the white. White, tool number 1. Ultramarine Blue, tool number 8, 1 dot, and using tool number 1, drag it. Orange Flash, number 6. Ultramarine Blue, tool number 3, dots on top of Indian Turquoise. Using a ruler, measure 5 cm around, 2.5 on each side. Connect the dots. We need this guideline for our next step. Dandelion, tool number 10, 1 dot. White, tool number 1, dots around Dandelion. Emerald, number 4, dots around, and tool number 1, drag it outwards. Splendid Gold, tool number 5, dots around, and number 1, drag it inwards. White, tool number 1. Now we use white and ultramarine blue interchangeably. number 8, number 10, number 8 again, number 6, number 5, and using tool number 1, drag it. Festive Red, tool number 8, a dot on top of the yellow dot. Moving to the corners, number 10, 1 dot, ultramarine blue, number 6, 2 dots, number 4, 2 dots, number 1, drag it. And now it's my favorite moment to make our painting come alive. Using smaller tools, we do some touch-ups on top, using brighter and lighter colors. If we don't have it, we can always mix it with white. It brings more texture and definition to our dots and adds more vibrancy to our painting. When the paint is dry, gently clean the chalk marks with a slightly damp paper towel. Optional, spray it with a sealer to preserve the painting. And now our project is done. I hope you enjoyed creating this gorgeous dotting mandala project with me and had a good time. Please like and subscribe so we can stay in touch and enjoy more dotting projects together in my next video.